What's up, everybody? It's Rob from sellingfromthebeach.com and oamasterclass.com. In this quick video, I want to show you a little known hack for brand new Canadian Amazon sellers. Now, this will save you at least $120 a year, but this is for brand new sellers who haven't signed up yet to sell on Amazon. And if you're a brand new seller and you're looking to start making money selling on Amazon, I highly suggest you check out my signature course, oamasterclass.com. I teach all about online arbitrage and will get you running quickly. Okay. Now, here's a little secret. So when you're first signing up, if you're Canadian and you want to sign up to sell on Amazon.com or you want to sell on Amazon.ca, doesn't matter. This is going to work. Okay. First, you go to sellercentral.amazon.com, which is the main sign up area. As you can see here, this is for the professional. There's also a individual plan. But if you're serious about this, you're going to sign up for professional anyways. So it's $39.99 a month to sign up as an Amazon seller, Amazon.com. Here's the hack. Instead of going to Amazon.com to sign up, you go to Amazon.ca. So sellercentral.amazon.ca. And then it's only $29.99 a month, Canadian, as opposed to $39.99 a month, American or US dollars. Okay. Now you're saying, hey, I want to sell on Amazon.com, not just CA, but here's what works. So you sign up. Then when you go in, you're going to get what they call the North American Unified account. So inside, once you've signed up, you're going to get access to Canada, US, and Mexico. There's just this little drop down at the top in Seller Central, and you'll be able to switch between the marketplaces. So you'll be able to sell on Amazon.ca and Amazon.com. Now, if you go through and you set up on Amazon.com, you do it the same way, you're going to get access to .ca as well using the North American Unified account. But this little known hack is going to save you at least $10 a month for however long you're a seller. So it starts to add up after a while. So if you're a new Canadian seller, you're looking to sell on .ca or .com, sign up through the sellercentral.amazon.ca side and pay $29.99 Canadian a month for a professional account and save yourself a few bucks. If you like these tips, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Make sure you check out my class, oamasterclass.com. It's all about teaching online arbitrage so you can buy items online, sell them on Amazon, branded items, no need to start your own brand. That's how I do it. That's what I do. I live full-time in Costa Rica doing this, and I don't touch a single product. I highly recommend it. Come check it out. Again, oamasterclass.com.